If you are new in the whole spirituality journey, you should start with, I would say, reading spirituality books, maybe. Um, you could find holistic people like myself. If you have questions to ask, you could look within and listen to the voices within if you are in tune. Some people are in tune and don't even know it. So that's another aspect as well. In tune means to me of hearing voices in your head, so to say. We all have entities within us. Our ancestors walked this earth way before we did. So, when you hear voices in your head, if something tells you not to touch the door, it's telling you not to touch the door for a reason. And if you proceed to, because we are alive, we are the ones alive. So we have free will. And, once you touch the door, you do have to deal with the consequences that lie ahead. In order to tap into your gifts, I recommend you start meditating, reading, being in nature. Nature is a great thing, So reincarnation, what is reincarnation? Reincarnation is you being reborn, okay? Your name means everything. Your date of birth, the place you were born, it all happened for a reason, and you do have a purpose. So find the purpose. People are reincarnated because we have a mission to do, okay? And ancestors take back what's theirs. We are reincarnated because we have a purpose, and a higher power guides us to do what's right and wants us to do what's right, I should say. So it's up to us for us to listen and heed the signs. My purpose, I am enlightenment. My purpose is I am the bridge of nations, of all nations. That's my purpose. Okay, I feed the homeless. I'm a healer. Okay, I heal in different aspects. I do many different things. I am a woman of many talents and of many names.